then I want to pivot slightly to, let me see which tab I should look at. This is Omni app. In Omni app, in your personal profile, you have these connected services. So these are kind of like our hand-rolled connections into AI, where now the AI can access something like Slack, GitHub, Google Calendar. This has all been internal for quite a while, so we've been building on it and using these for our own skills and our own AI integrations, or our own AI functionality. Customers haven't had it. That's until, as of yesterday, a new integrations tab rolled out, and this is behind a feature flag, and it's scoped to just the 4 that we've kind of vetted and personally integrated for now. But if you wanted to connect one of these tools and you have the feature flag in, you click the button to enable it, you put in your credentials, and once you put in your credentials, it'll show up in your connected services.
Gustav,
yeah.
What is the lift if we wanted to go put 100 different things in there? Like, what is an incremental MCP connector? Is it pretty variable? Is it well known?
Not trivial.
Okay.
We need to do more technical research. The first kind of like lowest hanging fruit pass of that showed that most MCP servers we'd want to connect to would not allow us to connect. And so we just need to do more research on how other people are making their servers available for tools to connect to, and yeah, just basically do some technical due diligence there.
Okay.
We'll come up with a plan. Yeah, I think the caveat I'd give there is like it sort of depends on how we do it. I think Gustav just represented kind of the MCP view. Notably, the ones that exist here are not MCP integrations; they're just APIs. If we decide that that's the right path, I'll put it this way: like Jamie and I built those. They're like not they're not completely trivial, but they are lightweight enough that we're able to pick away at them in spare time. I think I would worry more about kind of just the maintenance burden of like, okay, we could probably slam out 100 of them, but then how many are we going to actually have to go back and refine and so forth?
Okay.
Yeah, I think the long-term route is probably going for the MCP route as opposed to wrapping the API like we've done here.
And is there a concept of let the customer do it themselves? Like, is there an idea of a generic thing where the customer supports it on their own and we just build a framework, or is that nonsense?
Yeah, I mean, all of these are built on this OAuth framework that we've set up. So each of these just take OAuth credentials, and then we have a little framework to go and handle the authentication and store the credentials. And so theoretically, we could just add like a generic button here, and if you have an OAuth app, could conceivably connect and start interacting with tools there, but a little bit hand wavy, certainly plausible. I'd say we should listen to customers once they start using this and see what they want.
Okay.
And then the tiny demo here is just I connected to GitHub locally. Oh, wait, no, this is the wrong tab. Oh, this tab. Yeah, I connected to GitHub. I did a GitHub search about our README and our code repository. It worked. So yeah, this is in the product behind a feature flag now. And then the last demo for me today